Welcome back, everyone. You may be experiencing some issues with your Samsung device where for some reason the cell signal just isn't working. Maybe you're trying to call some people, maybe you're trying to use data and it's just not working for some reason. Well, there's a couple of different ways to go ahead and fix this. So the very first thing I would recommend doing is making sure you inserted your SIM card properly and that you even have a SIM card inserted in the first place. So go on your Samsung device, find out where your SIM card eject tool kind of section is. Use a SIM card eject tool just like this one right here. Put it into the bottom or wherever your SIM card is. Take it out, insert it back, and that will probably end up fixing the issue if for some reason it didn't work out well or whatever. Sometimes just doing that can actually end up fixing the issue for you. Now let's say you try that and that still doesn't work. Well, what I would recommend doing is making sure you're not in an area that has really bad signal in the first place. So if you're in the middle of like a wooded area, if you're in the middle of nowhere, sometimes if you're driving on the highway, there can be a lot of times where for some reason the signal just cuts out in and out. And if you can verify in that you know that you're supposed to have cell signal, you have T-Mobile or Verizon or whatever, and it's just not working, well, sometimes you may just be in an area that has really bad signal. A great way to check this is to check any other devices that you have. Check somebody else's phone if they have, ask them if they have signal, whatever. If nobody else has signal, then it probably means you're not going to have signal either. Now, you want to make sure that you even have a carrier supplied on your phone in the first place. So what you can do is you can make your way over to your specific settings app, and all you want to do in your settings is you want to scroll over, you want to click about phone, and you want to see if there's any like phone information or phone number that you can see. Information up there. You can see phone status. It says official. And then you want to click SIM card status, which is up here. You want to click there, and you will see some sort of information. You want to make sure you see either a network available or any other of these information stored up. If you don't see a network available, like how you do see with mine, there's no available, that means there's not even a SIM card inserted in your phone, or that your phone's not reading it, or that you have no carrier on your device. So that is another big red flag. You want to make sure you have a SIM card inserted, and you want to make sure it has signal. If it doesn't have signal, then it won't pull up here. If it does have signal, then you'll be able to see it on the network tab. So as long as you're able to see it there, then you're going to be set. Finally, the last thing I'll probably recommend doing for your Samsung device is to actually go ahead and remove any type of case or anything. If you have a big bulky case on your device, most of the time just by taking out that case might end up fixing the issue as well. Sometimes when you have like these bulky things on your phone, especially if you're like in the basement of nowhere, can also cause some issues as well. So that's another pretty big thing. Removing those things may actually end up fixing the specific no signal problem too. So there's just a few ways to go ahead and fix these type of issues if you're getting no signal on your Samsung device. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.